Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this Photoshop basic tutorial you will learn about Photoshop user interface. In your Photoshop you may see another view. Because it depends on the screen resolution. But it may almost look similar. On the left side of the Photoshop you could see the tools. I will explain each tools in the future video. You can change its view by clicking this expand and collapse button. On the bottom of tools you could see two color palette. One is foreground color and another one is background color. You can interchange this color palette by clicking shortcut X. Here you can see name, zoom level, and color mode of the document. Also I have opened two document. Just click on the name to active that document. Above that here you can see options bar. These options depends on the tool which you have selected. For example, if you select selection tool you can see the selection tool options here. On the bottom right side you are seeing is layer window. It is very important. We have to create new layers for separate object to work easily. Default background layer will be locked. Another window is properties. I will explain in the future video about it. Above that is color window for pick the color. This is the rulers. You can see vertically and horizontally. If you can't see ruler in your Photoshop, just go to view menu and click on the rulers to activate it. In the Photoshop we have 6 type of workspace. If you want to check out just go to window menu and choose option from the Workspace option. Default workspace is essentials. Another options are 3D, graphic, and web, motion, painting and photography. This is for 3D creators. And this is for graphic and web creators. Just check out all like this to understand about the workspace. Also we can arrange this work area in many type. For that go to window menu, then select any option from the arrange options. If you stick 2 up vertical it splits window vertically too. So we can view multiple documents at a time. If you click on 2 up horizontal you can tile horizontally. Once again go to window menu and choose consolidate all tabs from the arrange option to get back to normal window. On the bottom left corner you can see zoom level of your window. Now I am going to tell you how to zoom and pan your window. To get better understanding let's work on this photo. Select zoom tool and click where you want to zoom in image. Ctrl+ is the shortcut for zoom in. Select this zoom out icon from the option bar to zoom out image. Shortcut for the zoom out is Ctrl-. Select hand tool to move image window. Shortcut for this hand tool is H. Also press space bar to active hand tool. Next video will be about how to use move tool in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.